Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks. Today I will show you how to apply the transparent effect in File Explorer. Right-click, select Personalize. Select Start. Enable Use Start Full Screen. We need to download the file. Go to Google Chrome and download the file through this link. I will mention this link in the description. Extract the file. Cut this folder. Create a new folder in the C drive. Paste the file. Open this folder. Open System Transparency. Go to the System tray and click Setup and Info. Change this setting and click OK.